So good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name's Winston Norman and I'm joined today by founder and publisher of EP, Craig Smith, who is going to help me review today's deadlines. So we'll start with Garbe, who have sold the Green Park Pistani logistics development in Slovakia to Patria. Taurus has sold the former office building in Gdansk. The Tri-City has seen strong office demand, says Newmark, and the Sema Maritime company is relocating its Gdynia office to the K2 office building.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Well, Winston, sounds very good and a lot of exciting headlines. We are now working on a couple of our events for October. First of all, our magazine. The magazine's doing very well. Our investment guide, EuropaProperty Investment Guide for EXPO Real. We're once again the international media partner there, covering CEE, SEE, and the Baltics, Nordics and Scandinavia as well. So if you're looking to contact or get any news out or any promotion out to the attendees at Expo Real, we hand over 5,000 magazines at the Expo in 3 days, so let us know. We'd like to get you in the magazine right away. We've also got our two events. October, always the investment month of the year, and we've got on October 15th our CRE Awards in Budapest, which is really kicking off, and I can see starting out very nicely. Just looking at our initial jury list here, we've got jury members from Colliers, Prologis, Avalon Real Estate, Newmark, VLK Hungary, Galcap Europe, Cotton, Hungarian Green Building Council, CTP Hungary, UniCredit Bank Austria, Concierdo Investments, Hypo No, also Deutsche Fanbrief Bank, Graftsoft, Convergent CEE, or CE, Mono Consulting, Newport Logistics, new jury member there for Newport Logistics Fund, also Hello Parks and Graftsoft. So our initial jury list looks quite exciting, and a lot of investors, a lot of developers on it.
It's coming together nicely, isn't it?
So coming together, and that's October 15th at the Intercontinental Hotel in Budapest, not to be missed. Bit of a focus also on Serbia. Serbia is doing extremely well. They're in the Western Baltics, but of course Hungary being the main market, and Czech Republic, a bit from Slovenia, a bit from Albania even, and the whole region there. So very exciting group there. Week after that is straight to the CEE Investment Awards in Warsaw. We'll talk a little bit more about that in the days to come. But big jury, a lot of investors and developers for that, and a lot of sponsors already for that. So we'll take a little break, and we'll come right back with Winston Norman in the news. And we're back for the exciting part of the Coffee with Craig show, and that's always Winston's part where he reads off the news for the day. Winston, good to see you.
Yeah. Buckle up.
Buckle up for the ride.
We're going in.
Yeah.
Today's exciting news is Garbe Industrial Real Estate has completed the sale of the Garbe Green Park Pistani in Slovakia. They've sold this park to Patria, which is part of the CSOB group, and Garbe will remain the property manager of the development. And according to the company, it was their flagship project when they entered the region about 4 years ago, and they really praise and promote its sustainability. And according to Martin Polak, who's the managing director of Garbe Industrial Real Estate for Central and Eastern Europe, we entered the Central and Eastern Europe market about 4 years ago. We've built several industrial parks that meet high technical requirements and sustainability certifications. And Nina Kozakova, chairman of the board of Patria, says that the attractive location, excellent tenants, long lease contracts, and the developer's responsible approach to sustainability and quality are in line with our investment strategy. So no big surprises there with investment strategies these days, but it seems that they've got themselves a pretty good development in Slovakia.
Right, and also to be selling it off, great. Well done.
Yeah, fully leased, I would imagine, as well. And Slovakia is turning into a big kind of logistics industrial hub.
Yeah, a lot of industrial out of Slovakia. Small country, been doing extremely well on the logistics side and industrial.
Moving to Poland and staying in the investment market, and private equity fund Greenstone has acquired 80% stake in the Format office building in Gdansk, and the vendor was Taurus, and they were advised by Cushman & Wakefield and law firm Greenberg Traurig. And according to Sławomir Gajewski, CEO of Taurus, he goes on to say that history shows that high-quality projects are always on the winning side and can positively stimulate the market. And Marcin Gajewski, partner of Greenstone, continues, Greenstone has been investing in Tri-City office market since 2017, generating outstanding returns for its clients. And yeah, so this is a big kind of office news for the region and for Poland, and a good sign that the office market, although it's got some struggles, is continuing to offer quality product.
And it looks like a pretty good investment deal for our investment awards and for next year's Baltic Awards.
Yeah, lots of news on the Baltics coming out at the moment, and yeah, definitely good potential investment deals for the upcoming awards. And I guess we'll learn more about them as we approach those awards.
Yeah, I'm seeing a lot more communication from Baltics and from Scandinavia after our event, of just companies sending us more information about what they're doing.
There's been a lot more noise generated
by
that particular event. Yeah. Staying in the Tri-City region of Poland, and according to Newmark Polska, the Tri-City remains one of the largest office markets in Poland, despite an overall slowdown in development activity across the country. Last year was a record year for the Tri-City, with around 140,000 square metres of office take-up. And that take-up has continued this year, with the first 3 months up to March with around 25,000 square metres of take-up. And last year, the largest completion was Intel's head office with an area of around 23,000 square metres, and that was delivered to the market, and that was also on our shortlist.
Yeah, and also Pomeranian Invest invited the director from Intel to our forum, so it was great to have him there.
Yeah, he was at the forum. I met him, yeah.
Very, very nice. And another good reason that we're doing events in the Baltics, because it's hitting new records.
Hitting new records and getting new clients, and a new recognition for a lot of these projects, which you don't hear so much in Warsaw. So it's good to get up.
They get drowned out in Warsaw. They get drowned out. Yeah,
right. So. For sure. And a few other projects that are coming online in the Tri-City region include Gdynia Waterfront, which as the first phase was actually on our shortlist as well, and the second phase, which they're developing now, is also due to come online. And LPP Fashion Lab in Gdansk is also another new office development to look out for this year.
Fashion Lab sounds very exciting.
Sounds very kind of
surprised they haven't invited us yet to Fashion Lab.
I think they when they deliver it, you might get an invite. And moving on and staying in Gdynia, and the Semco Maritime Engineering team will move into the K2 office building in Gdynia, which is for their new HQ. And this development was delivered by Vastin, who seem to be pretty busy in the Tri-City region.
Yeah. They won a couple of awards.
And they're developing quite a bit up there. And according to Maciej Grzybowski, who's the head of Semco Poland, we have found an excellent space for our employees in a building that perfectly aligns with our long-term strategy to reduce CO2 emissions. And this building is an A-class office building, offers around 11,400 square metres of space, and it is LEED Platinum certified, which LEED is one of the certifications that Vastin always leans to.
Yeah, they like LEED.
They like LEED, and all their developments are LEED certified, I would imagine.
Yeah. No, a lot of it. Well, it's really a Tri-City day, isn't it?
Yeah, a lot of news hitting the desk from the Tri-City region today.
We should have been up there.
It's generated a lot of noise.
Yeah. We should have been up there on the beach doing this one, just to give a little ambiance to the Tri-City area.
When you get your green screen, we'll put one in.
Exactly. Well, very interesting. Great to see that the Tri-City is doing so well, and we'll keep reporting, of course, on that and the rest of the region. So enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.